Hello? Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm good for the 7 o'clock pickup. Remember how I told you yesterday? Man, Philip, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. You calling me talking about a 7 o'clock pickup, and I ain't nothing but an hour away from the place. Yes, sir. Now, Philip, when have you ever known for me to be late for a pickup, sir? All right, man. Yeah, I'm good for the 7 o'clock pickup. All right, thank you. Damn, I forgot to put my phone on Do Not Disturb, man.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky. I could be the
Hey, good morning, YouTube family. HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, and we back in this motherfucker, man. It is currently 5 a.m. We picking up in Marietta, Georgia today, and we heading to Erlanger, Kentucky. We're about to go in here and get some coffee, get a little small little breakfast, like some donuts or something, brush our teeth, wash our face, and we gonna hit this road, baby. Come on, ride with your boy. Don't be scared, man.
A few moments later.
Come on, how you doing? Say what? Hey, what's wrong with him? Y'all something else, man. All right, YouTube family. Got our coffee, got our donuts. About to pre-trip this truck, trailer. We gonna be out, baby. Let's get it. Start off with these headlights. We gonna start on this side today, man, cause last time somebody stole our reefer fluid, so we gonna start on this side. Alright. Gas tank looking good. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Alright, it's the same from yesterday. Okay. Got that out the way. Light check. So I gotta preset my reefer to about 35. Right now. We're gonna hit yes. Okay, diesel engine starting. Let y'all hear that bad boy. Watch this. So it's on 35 right now. The box temperature is on 67. So just, shortly once it cools off, once it starts to cool off back there, that 67 will start to, go down to 35 or whatever. So we letting it do what it do. We finna get ready to head on now, y'all. We gotta put this address in real fast, save it, so we can know where we're going, get our ETA, and we out. Alright guys, so I've already sent the address to my Gorman from the cell phone. We're gonna do where to. We're gonna hit recent. Here's the address right here in Marietta, Georgia. We're gonna hit this. We're gonna go down and save. We're picking up from a Domino's, so I'm just gonna change it to Marietta Domino's. Alright, Domino's, Marietta, Georgia. We're gonna hit done. We're gonna change the map symbol as a truck. Save. I'll save. Okay, we're looking for Domino's, Marietta. Okay, there we go. Look like we're 30 miles away. We're gonna hit the route option. Like I say, pink is always the fastest. So we're gonna do pink. 42 minutes on that route. Okay, we got 42 minutes and 34 seconds to get there. We got a 6:17 ETA. So we gotta be there at 7. And you know how this Atlanta, Georgia traffic is, so we're gonna try to beat the traffic, y'all. So let's head out, y'all. Alright, YouTube family, man, we done made it to Marietta, Georgia. We at the shipper, about to get ready to unload. The boy had to snake that thing over there. The bag spot right here. So we about to I got my reefer set. Got my reefer tip set. We about to unhook from this trailer, y'all. Alright, YouTube family, so we all unhooked from the trailer. Hold on. We all unhooked from the trailer. We gotta drive back here, put toward the front. We gotta drop the trailer and drive back here to up to the front or whatever, because it's so freaking tight back here. And I read the reviews and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? It did say it was tight. Now the thing about it is, it's gonna be even harder to get my trailer out, man. You know what I'm saying? Because of where I am. It's gonna be hard to get that trailer out. I'm finna show y'all. Alright, this is the place, right? This is the back where we at. Trailer's right there. Truck right there. Alright, my trailer is being loaded right here on the end. Hold on. Let me angle it real fast. The trailer right there, right? You know what I'm saying? Now, you know, as you see, I can't make that right turn right there. I can only make a left. But I gotta clear this truck right here. I ain't gonna lie, we gonna make it do what it do though. No excuses, baby. We gonna make it do what it do. Come on, y'all, let's head up here to this front. Alright guys, we all parked. I guess I'm finna try to be ahead of the game and try to edit some of this video, man. So once we get to Kentucky, I can do a couple of more scenes and I can have it edited for y'all and post it today, baby. So HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, man, we out this motherfucker. We just waiting on them to call us and let us know our trailer's complete. I'm on the side of the road as requested by the shipper. So hopefully, man, it don't be too long from there. But yeah, we'll see y'all later, man, once we done got loaded and things like that. Peace.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, 2 hours later, we just got the call, said our paperwork is done, hook up to our trailer and they gonna seal it up. So we about to head on back here and hook up to this trailer, baby. Let's roll. Alright guys, we're getting our trailer sealed up. Gotta close these doors real fast. And I gotta secure the bag. You'll be like, damn, how do you have time to do all this? Gotta secure the bag, baby. They like that. Alright guys, we all loaded up, sealed up. Now it's time for us to get on out of here, y'all. So let's roll. Trying to get some fuel, baby. Trying to get some fuel. We don't need nothing but tractor fuel and a little bit of reefer fluid. So. Tractor and hose. Don't need no gel. Alright, y'all, we're gonna do our in route while we wait. We're gonna check our reefer temperature, making sure we still on 34. Reefer temp good. So we all done gassing up, baby. Now it's time to hit the road. First traffic jam of the day. First traffic jam of the day. Let's get it.
1 hour later.
in real fast before my appointment tomorrow. Got a 4:30 appointment. I got truck parking, so I'm finna try to see if it's cool if I can park here somewhere. So just waiting on somebody to come to the door. Hey, how you doing? I got an appointment for tomorrow. Is it cool if I park here?
Park over there on the side of the building.
So come out here and make a right and just be on the side right there. Okay.
And if you need to turn around that building, make a left and turn around over there.
And then bag up like that.
Turn around, I think.
Okay. All right, appreciate it.
I think it's big enough for that lot like that.
Okay. All right, thank you, man.
No problem.
All right. Yeah, they got truck parking, so we finna go try to find parking real fast, man. I'll get back with y'all when I park, baby. Peace. Hey, what it do, YouTube family? HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, and we back in this motherfucker, baby. We've reached our receiver out here in Erlanger, Kentucky. We checked in for tomorrow. I just wanted to let you guys know that we made it to our destination safely and sound. The load is secure. You know what I'm saying? Everything is everything. I'm just doing a little pre-trip on the trailer. Got my post-trip going. I'm saying pre-trip. I'm doing a post-trip on my trailer. I got my post-trip going on. Just walking around the trailer, man, just checking everything out, making sure everything is still everything. And let y'all know that everything is still everything with your boy. You know what I'm saying? So we parked for the night. This is where we parked at. We right here, but the place is right here though. You know what I'm saying? So, man, I want to appreciate everybody for riding with your boy. All my brand new subscribers, all my viewers. You know what I'm saying? Everybody who just ride with you, man. You know what I'm saying? Just enjoying the ride along, baby. So once again, man, until next time, peace.